Hey, all you food lovers! Lisa here, back with another amazing recipe. Tonight, I'm recommending a heartwarming classic, baked ziti. You'll need 1 pound of ziti pasta, 1 onion, 1 pound of lean ground beef, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly oil a 9 by 13 baking dish. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions, but make sure it's al dente. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, sauté the onion and ground beef until browned. Add in the minced garlic and cook for another minute. In a separate bowl, mix ricotta cheese, egg, salt, and pepper. Stir in the drained pasta, marinara sauce, sautéed beef and onion, and half of the Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Spread this mix in your baking dish, sprinkle with remaining cheese, and bake for about 25 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. This baked ziti is perfect for a cozy family dinner. Enjoy your meal.